Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl SashaWnNa, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my gel polish kit that I absolutely love, that is under $50. Yes, under $50. But before we get into this video, please ensure to hit that subscribe button. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers. Also feel free to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below as well. So this is the gel polish kit that I bought online. So in this kit we have 24 polishes. Yeah, so that's six times 4. Yeah, 24 polishes, 6 glitters, some brushes, and some more some rhinestones. Yes, I also bought my gel lamp separate. So for the gel polish I paid $26, and for the light I paid about $20 for it. See guys, you see a combo that is absolutely affordable. In this kit they're all numbered from 1 to 20, and then on this side we have our base coat. I'll show you. Yes, this is our base coat. We have a top coat, we have a matte top coat, and a reinforced gel polish which you would apply after the base coat. In the kit we have some solid colors and we have some glitter. Yeah, some glitter polish from red, orange, yellow, dark blue, another dark blue, purples, green, yeah, orange, red, pink. So just to show you guys some example, we have this silver glitter polish. See, we have this nice pink glitter polish and a nice red glitter polish. So this is how a regular polish would look. See that? The brush is thick, so it makes application a lot easier. And I decided to take out the glitter to show you the type. So this is more for white kind of glitter. No, it's not showing so well on camera. This one is pink. This one is more purple. We have a green glitter, a blue glitter, and a yellow gold glitter. Like I said, it also comes with some rhinestones. So this is how it's looking. So it also came with 3 brushes. So we have the glitter brush. So this one is what we use to apply the glitter. This one is what I use to clean up, and this one, you see that tiny brush on the top, you can use to do designs and so forth. This is actually a UV lamp, 48 watt. It has 3 different settings. You have the 99 second, which is done on low heat. You have 60 seconds and you have 30 seconds. You also have the feature where you don't have to press any of the buttons. You can just put your hand under the lamp and it starts curing the gel polish. So I did buy all these products on Amazon, so I'm going to be putting the link to them in the description below. So definitely go and check that out and get your gel polish kit. So guys, this is how my fingers are looking. I did a purple color with some glitter at the top and rhinestones here. So guys, I absolutely love this kit. The fact that I can do my nails whenever I want, and not only that, the polish lasts for so long. I've had this on for a few days and no chip, nothing. It's still in place, everything. Don't have to worry about going to the salon to get my nails done. I don't have to worry about waiting. I don't have to worry about any additional cost. I just do my thing from home. This is not to say that I won't ever go to the nail tech to get my nails done again, but this is more cost effective. I don't need to be going to the nail tech all the time. and this is just so easy. What I absolutely love about this polish is that it's so easy to apply. The smell is not that bad, and most importantly, it doesn't chip away easily, which is what we want. We want our nails to last long. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed. Please go and get your gel polish kit. You will not regret it. Like I said, they're in the description box below, so go and check it out. Go and buy it now. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, we're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and I know that you can help me do it. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and also click the notification bell. Click the notification bell so that you know when I upload a video. I upload a video every single week, so you don't want to miss that. Hey guys, enjoy the rest of your week, enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you guys for watching again. Bye bye.